So, good morning, friends. Today I will start the lecture of nursing subject in this channel. This channel name is Rahul Mukwana Ignas. So, I kindly requesting you to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. This channel is very useful to all candidates who are preparing themselves for any nursing competitive examination such as government exam, state government exam, ESIS, AIMS, Army nursing exam, defense nursing exam, etc. This channel also being helpful or useful to all candidates who are trying to crack various entrance examinations such as AIMS, IGNOU, NIMHANS, etc. If you want to crack any nursing competitive examination, then subscribe my YouTube channel Rahul Makwana Ek Nurse. So today I will start this channel. Hello, the first. I am warmly welcoming you all of you on this my channel. Before the starting this channel, I am requesting all of you to subscribe my channel for the latest video notification. Good morning, dear friends. With your blessing and well wishing, today I will start my new YouTube channel named Rahul Makwana Nurse. This channel is being very helpful to all candidates who are preparing themselves for various nursing competitive examinations such as state government nursing examination, GSSB nursing exam, departmental exam, railway nursing exam, defense nursing exam, ESIS nursing exam, etc. If you are watching my this channel, it means that you are preparing yourself for any nursing competitive examination. So my humble request to all of you, when you are watching video on my YouTube channel, it's advisable to keep a pen and notebook within you. That's why you can note down important points and various examination in this book. If you are new on this channel, so I kindly requesting all of you for subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive latest notification of recently uploaded video. So today I will start the introduction of subject. In the nursing competitive examination, there is two paper. The first paper is known as nursing paper, paper 1, and the paper 2 is the Gujarati. So you have to attend two subjects and two paper. The first paper is nursing syllabus and second paper is based on the Gujarati. So in the nursing paper, there is total 100 marks that carry or that include fundamental of nursing that carry 20 marks. So guys, you have to note down this classification or a blueprint so that you have to know about the which points you have to focus, the very important. So the first subject is fundamental of nursing. So you have to prepare yourself for the fundamental of nursing subject that carry 20 marks. Then the second subject is medical and surgical nursing that carry 20 marks. And the third subject is midwifery and pediatric nursing, 20 marks. So friends, it means that you have to prepare the midwifery subject and pediatric subject, and both subjects are carrying equal marks. It means that the midwifery is maybe 10 mark and pediatric is maybe 10 mark, but we have to prepare all the topics from the midwifery and all the topics from pediatric nursing. So these both subjects are included in one section, midwifery and pediatric, both subjects. It's carry 20 marks. And the fourth one is mental health or psychiatric nursing that carry 20 marks. So guys, you have to note down that point. Mental health or psychiatric nursing carry 20 marks. In this subject you have to prepare the various psychiatric disorder, various psychiatric condition, various terminology, various psychiatric acts, and various psychiatric drugs. So these all topics are included in the mental health psychiatric nursing. And the fifth is community health nursing. So guys, you have to prepare the community health nursing because this subject is very vast, and community health nursing have been include the various government program which are currently running in our state or our country. So you have to prepare the all national program and all disease. Currently we are knowing that the pandemic disease, corona disease, so you have to prepare the various MCQ from the corona disease. So it's maybe possibility to ask a question about the corona disease in this section. So community health program or community health nursing have been include the health system. We know about the 3-tier system and health committee, 5-year plan, family planning method, occupational health nursing, geriatric nursing, and various national program. So these all points are included in the community health nursing that carry 20 marks. So guys, this all total is 100 marks. So you have to yourself for these all subjects. So the first subject is fundamental nursing, 20 marks. The second one is medical and surgical nursing, that query 20 marks. The third one is midwifery and pediatric, that query 20 marks. Fourth one is mental health or psychiatric nursing, that carry 20 marks. And fifth one is community health nursing, that carry 20 marks. So guys, these 5 subjects carry total 100 marks. So you have to prepare yourself for the fundamental of nursing, medical and surgical nursing, midwifery and pediatric nursing, mental health or psychiatric nursing, and community. It's mean that it's mean not you have to prepare this only subject, because some question is maybe asked from the anatomy, some subject will be asked from the nursing research, some subject MCQ will be asked from the administration, some subject will be some MCQ will be asked from the management, some MCQ will be asked from the nursing education. So guys, it's basic subject, so you have to prepare yourself for this 5 subject, but also you have to prepare some other subjects such as nutrition, microbiology, administration, research, nursing education, nursing management. These all are the important subject, rest than the list. So guys, I hope you can understand the paper style of first paper, nursing examination paper. So it is the paper style. So thank you. If you are new on my this YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest video notification. So guys, later on we will discuss about this all subjects topic. We will start from the fundamental of nursing. The different video lecture have been put in my YouTube channel regarding to fundamental of nursing. Various video will be uploaded regarding to medical and surgical nursing, and various lecture will be uploaded in regarding to medical and pediatric nursing, and also various video lecture will be uploaded regarding to mental health and psychiatric nursing, and various lecture will be uploaded regarding to the community health nursing. So I will later on upload the schedule of these all subjects, when we will learn about the fundamental of nursing, when we will learn about the medical and surgical nursing, when we will learn about the midwifery and pediatric nursing, and when we will learn about the mental or psychiatric health nursing, and when we will learn about the community health nursing. So guys, later on I will publish or upload the time schedule as per the Gujarati channel. So stay tuned and share this video to maximum to subscribe this channel. Then thank you all of you once again.